Hi, Joseph. My name is Michaela. I spoke with somebody in your office today who told me that I should send this video to you. I am calling local businesses in your area, just giving quick videos, going over your website, showing you how to bring in new leads, and kind of go over your online presence and how to potentially increase that. So to start off, I do have a background in digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at three major aspects when ranking businesses along that Google platform. Number one is going to be content. And what do I mean by content? Content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. From doing my research on other companies in your area that are ranking on page 1, I can see you don't have a lot of content. Let me explain why content is so important. Anytime you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia is always your number one search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content, right? So every few weeks, Google sweeps the internet and finds these content-rich websites and starts to just naturally shovel them up to the top. This is going to be the biggest organic movement of your website beyond anything else I talk about today. So content is key. With that said, it's recommended that every additional service that you offer have its own separate web page. This is for two reasons. One, on every page, we recommend you have anywhere between 500 and 750 words of content. And in that, you want to put appropriate keywords so you can be found on multiple searches, right? So with that said, adding every additional page is going to add content times 6 to your website, as well as get a lot of keywords put in there to allow you to be found on multiple searches. Let me take you here for an overview. This is Ahrefs, and it shows me just a breakdown of how you're doing on the internet. And as you can see, you're only getting about 2 people coming to your website every single month. Part of that is because of the amount of keywords you're being ranked for. Again, being ranked for a lot of keywords is going to help your business get in front of people and be seen on multiple searches, no matter what the search volume brings in, right? So by that I mean, let me show you your competition. This is San Antonio Carpet Cleaning Services, and as you can see, they're ranking for 604 keywords and getting 400 people worth of traffic. So, just as a comparison, the more keywords you rank for, the more your business gets found. Moving on, we're going to talk about DR and what these two numbers mean. This refers to backlinks and referring domains. I want to take your attention to this number here. This is called a do follow link. So what this is referring to is only 57 of the 157 domains that your website link is on actually gives you a clickable link, meaning the other places that you have your backlink on, they're not actually, it's like a dead link, meaning if someone was to click on it, it wouldn't actually come back to your website. So getting do follow links are important. They're typically, think of like Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. The more do follows you have, the more influence is driven to your website, causing this DR number to go up. This number is directly related to citations, and I see that you actually have quite a bit of citations. When I take you to the GMB and do a basic Google search for carpet cleaning San Antonio, Texas, these top 3 people are going to get the most business for visibility alone, which again is what we want for our business, right? To be visible and in people's face. So how do we get to the top of this? By adding more citations. I know there's like hundreds and hundreds of citations, but the more you have, the higher up here you go. And then a citation, in case you don't know, is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are on an online directory, so Yellow Pages and Yelp. So by doing those things, you're going to boost all the way up to the top and secure a top position. And in doing so, causes UR to go up. Now, this is the part that I want to show you most of all, is because these two numbers, Google loves them to be a 1-to-1 ratio or as close to 1 as they can. This creates stability on Google. And I say that to show you your competition, because your numbers are actually better here than your competition's, but because they're ranking for more keywords and getting found more often by people, they're getting more traffic. But as you can see here, as of today, last week, last month, and 3 months ago, they've done nothing but decline because their numbers are not stable. So what we want to work for is getting quality backlinks constantly, as well as getting more citations to get to the top of that GMB, and then keeping these in a 1-to-1 ratio or as close to as possible, driving up that influence to your website, okay? Well, I hope this was good information for you. Feel free to send me a quick email. Just let me know what you thought about this video. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you have any questions, I'm obviously available to answer them. But that's all I have for now, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.